What's up, folks? So a lot of you all have been asking what's a good DIY product you can make at home for your hair and for your beard to really help it grow and stay moisturized. So I'm going to show you a 2-ingredient product. It's just aloe vera and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm going to link the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Amazon link in the description for you, so you can go ahead and get this thing started. Of course, the aloe vera you can get from any plant anywhere, the grocery store, whatever you want. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The boys and I are here, and we're going to make this thing work. So with that being said, let's get to it. First thing you're gonna need is a knife, right? You take the knife, you're just gonna score right along here with the aloe vera to get the skin off. What I like to do sometimes, I like to cut it straight down the middle, like a fillet of fish. You're gonna do it on both of them, on all the pieces that you have. Now you can get the really big aloe vera if you want. I like to use smaller ones here because these are ones my mom grew. She has an aloe vera plant in a house. So I just go to her house, I just steal some aloe vera and keep it moving. It's free and she loves to see me. And then this is gonna be my blender, because you're gonna need a blender. Makes it a lot easier. 1 second, buddy. And then all you do is take the spoon right here and just scoop in the aloe vera. So this is super messy, but it's a good kind of messy. It's just aloe. So you'll be okay. If you don't have aloe plants in your house, you should go ahead and get some. They're really good if you get a burn or a cut or a scrape or anything to help heal up that skin. That's why we use it a lot in our products. Okay, so after that grueling process, we're just gonna take a little bit of Jamaican Black Castor Oil right here and just pour some in there. Nothing too crazy, not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more. Boom, there we go. Just those two. Give just a little bit of liquid, so a little bit of aloe vera, a little bit of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Go put the top on it. And now, we just take just a little bit of goo right here and pour this right inside here. Aloe vera and Jamaican Black Castor Oil.
Me?
No, it's aloe vera and Jamaican Black Castor Oil.
Oh, that's what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So this is it right here.
I was making you do that.
No, you weren't making me do that, buddy.
I'm not going to do that.
That's what it's called. So here we go. And then we're just going to put this in the beard. And I'm going to show you. You give him a thumbs up, buddy? Mm-hmm. Good job. Yeah, this is it right here. Another thumbs up?
Yeah. Wait,
good job.
Wait, don't pause the video.
Oh, don't pause it? Okay, what's up? Oh, let me adjust the camera. Hold on. All right, Mickey. Go ahead and tell the folks hello.
Hello. Look. No, I'm not on your phone. Look.
Oh.
I have to give it a thumbs up.
All right, so I can see you. There you go.
Look.
All right, folks, do me a solid favor. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. If you can, please go home and tell your mom you love her. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so this right here is one of my favorite secrets to help my beard grow. It's something that's very simple, it's very easy to make, and it takes maybe no more than 5 minutes to extract yourself. For this right here, all you need is some aloe vera and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's a very simple combination. So all I do is I just take a nice little bit of aloe vera, one that my mom grows, and I cut it. I strip it apart and I use a spoon to get all the, the gel out. Then I just take a little bit of Jamaican Black Castor Oil, mix that into a blender with it, stir it all up, and then just apply it to my beard. Now here you see me using one of our sisal brushes just to make sure it works in well, and then boom, this is how my beard looks.